Hi students, I'm Professor Dr. Nutan Mishra for your winter session. I know it's a really compressed session, 3 weeks, and just heads up on what you need to do for all those 3 weeks. So once you open up your course, course on the Blackboard, you will find these tabs, and again I'll go over each tab so that just you know exactly what you need to do for those 3 weeks. So it begins 27th, the week of 27th, and the semester ends on January 17th to be precise. So what you need to look up is on these announcements, and these are the announcements where I've already posted the introduction here, as you can see, and I am going to post this video as well, which I'm recording, so that you know exactly where to go and what you need to do. It really gives a clear instruction as to what you need to do for every week and what are the chapters, quizzes you need to take, and discussion portal, discussion post, and reply post. And also it gives this is my cell phone number. Again, for any urgent needs, you can call or text me as well. But there is a message section here which allows you to ask questions, which is within the course, which I will be answering and which I'll be looking at. So this announcement section is where you'll find the weekly announcement for what you need to do for the entire week. Then comes the syllabus, and the syllabus is this is the textbook information, and the syllabus actually gives you the information of exactly what you'll be doing for the week. So as you can see here, there's just 3 weeks. So the first week itself, you're going to review the syllabus, and you are going to post on the student lounge and discussion post. So student lounge here is the introduction. So you're going to introduce yourself and also do the discussion post and the reply post. Apart from that, you will be taking quizzes 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 quizzes every week. So that's actually going to be, kind of, a lot for you in terms of, if you compare it with the other assignments. So quizzes, again, every quiz has 2 attempts, and you need to have your textbook to take the quizzes. 4 quizzes. It's between 20 to 25 questions. It's multiple choice. It won't take a lot of your time, but again, just remember, it's a compressed course. We have to, complete all the at least 10 to 11 chapters in 3 weeks. So you'll have to do some work for that. So for about 4 chapter quizzes every week. Apart from that, you'll have 1 discussion post. So in the discussion post, when you click on the discussion portal, the first thing which you need to do is introduce yourself. This is here the course questions. So if you have any questions regarding the course which you think if I answer would help the other students as well, you can always ask question here. But the first thing you need to do is introduce yourself. I've introduced myself here. So you click on introduction and introduce yourself, and 2 people have already done that. So you just create a thread and introduce yourself, as I have done already. And again, in the discussion post, it's every week you have 1 discussion every week. So you'll have to just click the discussion, create a thread to post, and then once you create a thread, it'll actually give you the question here on top, what question is you need to answer, discuss, and what chapter it relates to. You can see the chapter and look into the chapter, read the required content, and then again do your discussion portal. Again, this discussion needs to be done by 11:59 p.m. Wednesday. Before that, you need to post your discussion post, and again by Saturday you need to post a reply post, which is to one of your classmates, a reply post, and you're all aware of reply post since you'll be doing you have already been doing online classes. So the reply post again has to be substantive. It shouldn't be just, oh, great post, or I really like the post, but it has to be substantive in a sense that you need to be critically, analyzing what the content of the discussion post is. If you felt that there was something missing, you can add on to it and give a suggestion that you like, why you liked it, and there was some gap, and this is the way you can fill up the gap, or something which you felt that was not right. You can critically evaluate as well. So again, it has to be substantive to get your points. So again, each discussion post is 25 points. So 20 points is your discussion post, and 5 points would be your reply post, which is again not mentioned as rubrics, but I am letting you know in this recorded video. So after the discussion comes the quizzes. So every quiz, we have 4 chapters for every week. Again, once you click on the quiz, you'll be able to you begin, and you'll be able to take the quiz. There is 2 attempts, and the highest would be recorded. So again, you need to have your book for it. So this is again, the quizzes are every week, and have at least 4 quizzes every week. So that's what you're going to do every week. So quizzes would be major stuff which you need to concentrate on. Discussion portal, of course, discussion post due Wednesday end of the day, and reply post every Saturday end of the day. Again, I'm just kind of repeating again, reminding you, it's a really compressed course. We try to finish 11-week course in just 3 weeks, so you'll have to put in efforts. And this is another thing which you need to do is, if you click on the assignment, every week there is an assignment. So I have already placed the assignment for you, and I've opened it so that if you plan to work on it way ahead, you can start working on it, no problems at all. And then again, all the information is given here. The rubrics are there, how you will be getting graded. So this is assignment number 1 for the week 1, assignment number 2 for week 2, assignment number 3 for week 3 with the rubrics and explanation as to what you need to do with instructions. Again, there is one thing which is not missing here, is the final exam, which is mentioned in your syllabus, but it's not. I've not yet uploaded it. But again, being second week, probably I'll upload the final exam as well, because I didn't want you to open up the final exams yet. So there would be add-ons. So the third week would be a little bit of work where you'll have your 3 quizzes, 3 chapter quizzes, apart from discussion post and reply post, and the assignment you'll have to take a final exam too. So again, heads up, be prepared for what you need to do for this 3-week session. Again, it's on us too that we'll try. We have to try to do as much as possible, because again, 15-week course, we're trying to compress it into 3-week course. So again, all the best. Just be prepared. It'll be cool. It'll be easy. Again, if you have any questions, again, do not hesitate to call me or text me. And of course, if you really need, you have time, that you can always, send a message through this portal as well. All right. So all the best, and welcome to the class.